Hello guys and welcome to my food vlog. Today we are cooking desi macaroni. So let's begin the video. Step is to add half tablespoon of salt in a bowl of water, and you have to add vegetable oil 1 tablespoon. After adding salt and oil into the water, now it's time to add macaroni and boil them up. So you can see it has started boiling. So the macaronis are done, they are cooked very well. So it's now time to turn off the gas and drain off the excess water from the macaroni. Draining the excess water, we will now wash it off with cold water. Wash it nicely and then keep it aside. Of the recipe, we need chopped onions and green chilies, chopped potatoes, paneer and chopped tomatoes. In the spices, we need red chili powder, salt and black pepper powder. We will take some vegetable oil in a pan and add cumin seeds and wait for them to change their color, and then add chopped onions and green chili. Now we will add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and mix it well with the mixture. Now we will add the vegetables that we have. So I'm adding potatoes, chopped potatoes and chopped tomatoes. You can add any vegetable in your macaroni. I only have these two vegetables at my place, so this is my jugaad. So you can add the vegetables of your choice. Now fry these vegetables. When the vegetables become soft, they are actually fried. It's now time to add all the spices. So we will begin with adding salt first. So we'll add salt as per taste, and then we'll add black pepper powder and red chili powder as per taste, and then we will mix all the spices well with the vegetables. Now we will add paneer cubes into the mixture and we will fry it. Now we will add soy sauce 2 tablespoons, and then we will add tomato ketchup as per taste. As much as you want, you can put it, and then we will mix it nicely with the vegetables. Now the mixture is ready. We will add macaroni into the mixture. And mix it nicely and slowly. If you have Maggi masala, you can put it. It will give an additional taste to it. It will enhance the taste. And I am pouring the mixture of red chili powder and salt and black pepper on top of it to make it a little spicy. Pasta is ready to serve. Here is the final product. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe my channel for more vegetarian recipes. Thank you for watching and have a great day.